Standard 8 Subject History. Lesson number 1 Sources of History. History is based on authentic evidence and proof. They are known as sources of history. These sources of history have to be verified. Last year we have studied the sources of ancient and medieval Indian history. This year we are going to study modern Indian history. Historical sources include material written and oral sources. Sources based on audio and video are also included. First type of sources of history is material sources. It includes various objects, monuments, palaces, coins, and sculptures. Buildings and palaces. The period of modern Indian history is mainly the period of British rule and princely states. Different buildings, bridges, roads, water supply system, fountains were built during this period. There were government offices, residences of officers, leaders and revolutionaries, palaces of princely states, forts, prisons, etc. Among these monuments, many buildings are intact even today. Some are declared as national monuments and some are converted into museums, so that by seeing these, next generation can come to know about our history. After visiting these sites, we come to know about history, architecture, nature of monument and also economic condition of that period. During the visit to Cellular Jail in Andaman, we get information about revolutionary work of Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, and by visiting Mani Bhavan in Mumbai or Sevagram Ashram in Wardha, we get information about Gandhiji. Museums. It is a place where various historical things such as paintings, photographs are preserved for the study of history. For example, at Aga Khan Palace in Pune, we see different things and documents which gives us information about Gandhiji. Statues and memorials. There are many statues and memorials from pre-independence and post-independence period. It provides information of contemporary rulers and eminent, that is important personality. The information displayed on the statues tells us about the full name of person, birth and death details. Brief informations about their contributions and biographical sketch of that person means how that person was looking. There are memorials which are made in the memory of various events. It gives us information about the event, the period in which that event happened and the people related to that event. Thank you.